will be giving instructions with regards to embedding Slido. So, I open ko sa akong Canva, new presentation. So, for this slide, we search on the left side na ay apps. Click on it, search for embed. Then magawas ni siya, embed, click on it. Then you scroll down until makita mo CodePen and you click it also. So, nanatay CodePen sa atong slide. So, what we do is double click this, edit on CodePen. So, mugawas ni siya. This is just an example. So, you sign up first, make an account. Then, once you've done that, you open your Slido account sa website. So, Slido, then log in. Then, mugawas to inyong gihimo na poll from your PowerPoint presentation. So, I will click on this. So, here, this is my question there. So, we click on settings. Then, we go to integrations on the left side. You click on it. Then, you scroll all the way down to embed Slido. So, click on this drop down button, copy embed code. So, copied na to siya. Then, balik ta diri sa CodePen. So, delete everything under CSS and everything under HTML. Then, ato tong i-paste ang atong gi-copy na embed code. So, copy it under HTML. Then, once that is copied, load na siya here. You click on this. It's on the lower right side of the screen, fork. So, fork this pen para ma-save ning file under your account. So, once that is forked, ma-notice niyo ang URL address under na siya sa akong account, Dr. Inky. So, I will copy this. Then go back to your Canva. Then once back in your Canva na slide, you press this edit link. Then you delete ang nakabutang daan na muning katong example. So ako ni i-paste ako ang gihimo. Then press done. Then naka-embed na ni imong Slido. So you can run your presentation. Then click run pen. Then mo load rin na siya. You can scroll down or change the magnifying. Okay. So naa na tong mga responses sa ako. Okay. So that's it.